Hello and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making crispy, golden and absolutely delicious Khasta Suji Aloo Kachori. Perfect for breakfast, tea time or as a special snack. Start with the suji dough. Take 1 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon chili flakes and 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Cook for 30 seconds. Khasta means crispy and flaky, which is the hallmark of this snack. Add 1½ cup water, half teaspoon salt, now let it boil. Gradually add 1 cup suji or semolina. Mix well and cook until the mixture separate from the pan. Aloo kachori is often served with tamarind or mint chutney. Street food lovers often prefer kachoris as an evening snack with chai. Now cool it completely. Now for the potato stuffing. Heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add half teaspoon coriander seed, 1 green chili, 2 tablespoon onion and cook for 30 seconds. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon chili powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon chaat masala and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Cook for 2 minutes and keep aside. Mash the potatoes finely to avoid lumps in the stuffing. Ensure the suji mixture is completely cool before shaping for easier handling. Knead the suji mixture for 2 minutes. Now take a small portion. Place the potato stuffing inside. Cover well and shape into a ball. Heat oil and fry the kachoris in medium heated oil for 7 to 8 minutes until the kachori turn golden brown and crispy. Fry on medium heat so the kachori cooks through and become golden. Using minimal oil for frying, keep it lighter. Potatoes provide a good source of carbohydrates and energy. Spices like cumin and coriander aid digestion. Homemade kachoris are free from preservative and additives. Your Khasta Suji Aloo Kachoris are ready. Crispy, golden and utterly delicious. Serve them hot with your favorite chutney or sauce. Comment below if you prefer soft or extra crispy kachoris. Don't forget to subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more tasty snacks.